If you're ready to make a big purchase or just a purchase in general, and you want to make sure that the price you're paying on the website you're at is the best price available, I'm going to show you how to do this. I'm demoing this on the iPhone, so it might be different if you're not using an iPhone or have an Android. I don't know. I don't have an Android. I don't have a Pixel. I don't have any of those other phones. I can only show you how it works on my phone. And I'm going to show you how to do this on Google Chrome as well as Safari. First, I have Safari, and you can see that I am on a West Elm page. Now, what I'm going to do, I found this mirror. I might want this mirror. It is $559. And I know that that's way too much to pay for a mirror. So I want to check the internet to see what else is available for maybe a cheaper price. And how I'm going to do that is I'm going to press and hold the image. And at the very bottom of this list, it says search image with Google. We're going to tap that. Now, this is going to open up Google Lens, and Google Lens is pretty cool because what it's doing is searching the internet for this exact image or very similar images. And what we're going to find is there is some other options that are very similar that are a lot cheaper. For example, this mirror, slightly different, right? $128. This one from Amazon, $88. This one from Lowe's, $222. So we're seeing, it's cool to shop at West Elm, but why pay $600 for a mirror that's probably the exact same as these ones? And maybe it's not. Maybe the quality is a little bit dropped down, and it's going to be up to you to decide. But, there is a lot of savings here. Now, let me show you real quick how you're going to do this on Safari. Now, the process is going to be a little bit different because you need to be in Google Chrome to access these features. So to do this in Safari, press and hold the image just like in Google Chrome. And then you're going to hit share up here at the top. And then we're going to scroll down to the very bottom. It says search with Google Lens. We'll select that, hit view results. Bada bing, bada boom. It's opened up Google, and we can now see the different results for this mirror. And again, I don't know, they look so similar. I would rather pay less for this mirror than more. I mean, West Elm is cool, but gosh, it's so expensive. So next time you are ready to make a purchase, try this reverse image search using Google Lens. See if you can find a better deal. If this was helpful, let me know. Drop it in the comments. Tell me what you're shopping for. If it wasn't, don't say anything. Appreciate you. Anyways, that's the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you next time.